way. Right, we are starting off from restaurant Fortaleza and we're going to head off today round La Pedrera Reservoir. First bit is just a boring long road. It's not boring, it's all downhill. First hill. Come on, easy gears. Oh, I don't like hills. This route is 21 kilometres long, but it has 176 metres of elevation. There's more uphill. Essential bit of kit in Spain. Well, it's for me anyway. Downhill bit, yay! You see the reservoir? We drove this route back in October, I think, to wreck it, and then they closed the borders, so we couldn't get to do the actual ride. If we get lost, that's why. This is a little town of Torremendo.
I have no idea where I'm going now.
This might be the wrong way. I think we did this before, didn't we? Yeah.
Maybe it's left.
Yeah. Think back at that little mini roundabout before the pharmacia.
Should have gone left.
We should have gone left, yeah.
I've got a feeling it's up there.
What, the road we should be on?
Yeah.
Should we turn round?
I don't know.
Maybe we can join it from this end. We'll find it. It's a big old reservoir. Really hoping that that's all 176 metres elevation in one go. I don't like going up hills. It makes me hot. At least we can see the reservoir again. At the top. This is the spot for a picnic. I always forget to do that, change gear when I get to a downhill bit. World's worst cyclist.
Pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yeah!
Let's see if we can do it twice in a row.
What, 2 laps?
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah. Got changed now, gonna have a picnic now. The bit we spotted earlier. Not bad, eh?